All right, journal entry number 23 or so. I don't remember. Um, Small green day. I got the bias today completely wrong, but that's okay. Let's go through what happened, what I did good, what I did wrong, the bad, the good, the bad, and the fucking ugly. The market opened on yes, I was trading the ES. The market opened on the ES around the London lows, right there. This is the 15-second chart. That's where my entry was. And I was waiting for price failure at the London lows to get long. Now we had big news um at 10 a.m. I think. Yes, it was at 10 a.m. So I was looking for a scalp, a quick scalp to the upside, and everything was good. I mean, the setup was okay. The setup was great actually. We liquidated with force right here, the London lows, and the recovery was not immediate. So that makes it for not as good as a setup, but I'll still give myself a B. I'll give the setup a B, because it was not V-shaped. And I just don't like when price keeps making higher lows on a V shape on what is supposed to be a V shape recovery, but that's fine. We got the liquidation and then the recovery. So, execution wise, this is where I fucked up. Um, I should have entered at this candle close right here, this 15-second candle close right here, but I missed it. I missed the entry. So, when I was going to put my limit order right at the liquidation, at the recovery level, I'm sorry, or at the previous structure highs, price just moved way too fast. And I ended up entering at market here, which is fine, I guess. It's a few ticks from my optimal entry. Actually, you know what? Actually, it's right at my optimal entry, which is those 15-second highs right here. So I guess it's fine. Stop losses were below the liquidation lows. So the opening range haven't been set yet. And I went through a little bit of drawdown throughout that opening range or before the opening range was set, right? The opening range was set around this lows, making this the opening range high, this the opening range low, and this flag, right? Continuation pattern kept me in the trade. Now, when price broke with the opening range high, I closed 4 out of my 5 contracts on that spike high. Now, the main reason is because we had news incoming. And I just didn't want to hold on to the news. And also big sellers were coming in on the tape here. So I closed 4 out of my 5 contracts here and moved my stop losses to break even. Ended up getting stopped out at break even, um, which was a good thing actually, because after that, price just continues to the downside. And then this is the news candle. This is the news candle right here, very bearish. So that was ISM manufacturing PMIs, I think. I don't know. It was ISM services PMIs. Yeah, ISM services PMI came out at higher than expected, and that created this massive bearish uh, candle breaking with the opening range lows. This is the same move here on the Nasdaq. And after that, the market just kept dumping throughout the morning like this, and I couldn't catch it. I just couldn't catch it. I didn't have a setup to go short. In hindsight, uh, you know, um, I just didn't have a setup. I didn't have an opening range bounce setup. Well, in hindsight, I could have traded, this continuation pattern right here. but it's just not my A plus setup. I just didn't have it. Just didn't have it. And I ended up just making a small profit on a long here at the open, just watching price just dump on me throughout the entire day. All right, so what the hell is going on with my mouse? And that's it. So Green Day, again, the streak remains alive. Very small Green Day.